First I will select which place I have to go in the map, but before that I will heal myself somewhat. I will eat some beans so that my health increases. Okay, I should use this water bottle also, and I will use one weapon and one bandage also. Now I have to go in the second part. Do I first or treasure? I think I will do treasure, and then on the return journey I will do the second part. So first I have come to the treasure hunt map, and here I come. Seems like my bullets are low. I should have probably restored them from the trader, but no worry. I have to clear the area of the zombies. My shotgun is probably empty. Oh no, the enemies are coming from behind me. This one is a ranger zombie. He attacks from them. These zombies are not even ending. They are keeping coming. I have to do something fast. Not that one is the blast type zombie, not cooker zombie. He will come near me and then blast. But yeah, he got blasted. Now these ones I will handle very easily. These ones are not much harder to deal with. I can easily deal with these zombies. Okay, I have dealt with these zombies. Now I will go to the location mark. And as I have come to the location mark, now here I will dig. What? If I cannot dig without a shovel, then why did not you tell me earlier? I should have bring a shovel. But what to do? I have to leave this, abandon this quest. I am going to the second part to complete it. And here I have come at the second part location. Now I will do what? I will fight the zombies. So okay, my shotgun ammo is empty as always. Seems like I will have to. This time when I return to the city, I will have to recharge it. Oh, my first enemies are petrol. I will have to handle this guy. What is this? What is this machine gun? Oh, he is my teammate. No worry. Nah, I will handle the rest. I will handle. Okay. I have to deal with them fast. He is doing most of the work. He is not leaving anything. But I will also not give up. And here, the enemies are dealt with. Oh, his comrade is hanging there. We have to find a way to get inside fast, or else the enemies will kill them. This side entrance is blocked. It seems like there is some other entrance from somewhere. Oh no. First we will have to deal with these bandits. If I had that shotgun, then I would have dealt with this guy now. He is a shotgun user. I have to get my distance from him. Oh no. I should take cover behind the tree and then do the work cover. One enemy neutralized. Second enemy. Second enemy also neutralization in process. Second enemy had not been neutralized till now. Now I am getting. Oh no, he also have a shotgun. This isn't worrisome problem. This is a problem. He has a shotgun, but his gun does not seem to be much large. Oh no, the it cannot block. We cannot block the gun weapon. Okay. Now what? I should use beans and one bandage. I am healing my health. So I have healed my health. Now should I keep some other gun also? This gun's weapon ammo is going to finish very soon. I am power 6, power 10. I go for have equipped this power 10 gun, but I have it ammo in 1253 amount. Now I am heading for the inside. I have to switch to a bigger gun, but still I will handle my enemies. This one door is also blocked. Oh, here is the door. Seems like these are the enemy guards who fired the shot at me. From where is the enemy fighting? I have to find it very quick. Oh, here. I should let him deal with the enemy. Yes, I also provide you cover. You go in front. So there they are. Oh no, they are not letting me come out. I will also use fire from this end. I should do something very fast. Should I destroy their formation and go very fast? Okay, I have come behind this tent now. Oh no, they are not missing the thought at distance. Yeah, he will deal it. Oh no, seems like he is not at correct position at all. I have to find the entrance very soon, or it will be a problem. He is probably providing backup for me. Can I climb over using this? No, does not seem like. Maybe here is some sort of entrance. Oh, it seems like I cannot open it until I finish those enemies. I have to deal with the enemies very fast. There he is. I will shoot him. His focus is not on me for present. And here I am shooting bullets at him. And here I am shooting bullets at him. That's one more bullet and then he is dying. Okay. The enemy had been dealt with. Just one more petrol is left. I get there he is. He is also focused on that my teammate. Okay, now I will use this opportunity to kill him. And here, he is been dealt with. Now time to open the door. Five patrols more are coming. From where are they coming? Oh no, there he is. Oh no, I have gathered the enemies focused on that point. Now I can kill them from behind. Oh no, this time enemy has seen me and he is firing bullets at me. One more shotgun user coming. Shotgun user dealt with. Now here. Now I will take this crowbar and went on ahead. Now I am going. I should use the crowbar to open the door to the base. So here I go. Here I go. For more petrol. Seems like I will have to deal with this also. Here, one petrol neutralized. Here, second enemy also neutralized. One more enemy is left. There he is. Oh no, he has seen me. I cannot let him have any more chance. Yeah, that enemy has also been neutralized. Now I can finally open the door. And there I am opening the door. Door is open. Inside there are 5 petrol. Deal with them. You can do it. You have unlimited health. Still I will deal with. I also provide you cover from behind. Okay, enemy at the. No, this one is also still alive. Yes, enemy had been neutralized. 3 more petrol. I have to run. But I am trapped in outside. Yes, you fire from there. I fire from here. And let's kill these enemies very fast. Okay, now time to blast your head. Oh no, seems like I missed. And where is his comrade? Yes, we have retrieved his comrade. Now the mission second part has been fully completed.